I want to quickly give you insight in this current video that I'm doing because I saw something unique. And if you look around here, you see that the all share index shows a little bit of green. And guys, this signals a lot. You know, we use this to track the general market. So sometimes there will be a lot of movement before you see a little bit of movement around here. So why we track the market with these two, it is not a cast in stone, and we are not ignorant of some movement in some stocks. Like I speak to you now, there are some stocks that have done 20% and approaching 30% recently, and why the all share index was still showing red. You get the point. So that is why I want to quickly do this video so that you can see the insight that is happening in this video. So if you look at my chart right now, this chart is currently showing you the 1 week chart, and the share index right now, it shows that it is coming down, and which represented from this indecisive candle represent the start of the downward trend. And you know, when this represents the start of a downward trend, something else needs to represent the start of an upward trend. And that is what I spotted. And I said, let me quickly rush to do this video. Before subsequent video, I'll give you a buy of one of these stocks that I've been monitoring. And there's a lot of good thing about the stock, though it will be for those that will hold for a long time. Just stay tuned. After this video, just watch out for the next. Maybe it might be coming tomorrow morning, so that you can take position in it. So we'll quickly go and look at the daily chart. The daily chart will give us much details. So if you look at the weekly chart right here, you see where I mark all this region. Now you're wondering, Investor Joe, so why are you saying the market is about to peak? I'll let you know. In fact, the market has peaked already. So it's just for you guys that are following me to start taking position. Don't listen to anybody, any noise, don't listen. Once you have cash, start loading, because by next week or even on Friday, you will see that everything will start going up. Then next week, the full Santa Claus rally will kickstart, and that is what we are hoping for, and that is what we want to see in the market, so that all of us will enjoy the dirty December. So let's quickly switch to the daily chart, which will actually give us some cool details about the market. So if you look at the daily chart right here, which we've been trying to look at, you understand? So the daily chart right here, if you see around this point here, you will see there is a little jump that is happening around this area, but you'll not be able to see. But by the time we go lower to the 1 hour chart, that is when you actually see this pump around there. So let's quickly switch to the 1 hour chart. So let's switch to the 1 hour chart so that we can see how it is performing. So let's switch 1 hour. Yes, I wanted to do 4 hours, but let's just switch to 4. You can see from the 1 hour chart, you see that there is actually a sharp recovery happening around this place, and that is why I'm encouraging you to buy those assets, those equities that you have, that the price is currently low. Take advantage of it, because in 1 week or 2, you are going to smile and rejoice at the kind of gain you have. And in case you are in a stock that you are actually down, the best strategy is to average down heavily on that particular one. Maybe you just pick one that the averaging down will have impact, so that by the time the market bounce, which will happen towards the end of this week and probably next week, you should be able to make a lot of money than you going to buy another one that maybe that one will delay before it will pump, and you realize that you're not making much. So that other one, as long as you just average down a little jump, you will be up. So I'm here to let you know that the recovery has started. You understand? The recovery has started, you can see. But because we are sharp, we look at the 1 hour chart. That is why we're able to see what is going on here. And if we look at the 4 hours, you will see a little bit of candle there. You can see. You can see the candle there on the 4 hours, and this is representing a decisive candle here, and we have this one that is reversing here. So this is an opportunity to actually get into all this stock. And don't forget, yesterday I did a video when I said CUTIX buy zone, and I did a lot of analysis here. In case you've not watched that video, please come to this place and watch the video. It is the video before this one that I'm posting now. So watch it and then get insight. And just in case you don't know, I've been talking about CUTIX for a long, you can see this current video, it was CUTIX I was actually referring to, and you guys are very, very smart. You actually decode that this stock has the potential to give you guys good money. And I also did another one here. This was 11 days ago, and I explained all this without mentioning the name of the stock, and you guys were very, very smart to decode what I was talking about. In previous time, I said you should sell CUTIX, but now I'm telling you that CUTIX is a good buy. But if you look at the all share index, just as we've said, you see a sharp recovery happening. This is what normal person that is looking at the daily chart will not see. But because we are very smart and we go deep into what is going on, we see that a little deep. It's like the prophet that asks the servant working with him that he should go and check to know if it is about to rain. And the guy came back and said he saw a little cloud. And what did the prophet say? He said, that is it. That is it. That is what I want. So this little green that we've seen here, you say, guy, that is it. Start loading. And that is the signal I'm giving you guys here that you should start loading. In fact, in one of my community, I quickly sent a message because I wanted to sell a stock. In fact, the stock closed less than ₦1 difference from our target that I wanted to sell. I told them that close all your position, cancel all your position, because you know what, that stock has the potential to give them 100%. And that is why I always do all these things, because I'm a good shepherd. I want them to make more money. So I quickly said cancelled. And when they cancel, that stock actually closed at a better price. Tomorrow, the stock will still gain another 10%. And subsequently, maybe before this weekend, is going to hit the normal target that we are looking for, and we're going to make 50% or 100% from that stock. So I believe this will actually give you insight on what to do. So you want to lock up the noise, all the noise happening. Those who are afraid, you want to buy from them and create liquidity in the market. And you know what you are doing, because that was what I taught in our meeting. I said certainty in uncertainty. How can you be certain when the whole market is uncertain? And that is what we discussed. You can see this is a 2 hours discussion with questions and answer and insight from my experience, close to a decade experience that I've spent in this market. So you can, though it's for paid members only. Okay, I don't have anything to do except you're a paid member. So if you're a paid member, congratulations, you will learn a lot. Sometimes one video is enough to just give you that click, because not everything are being taught. Some things are caught. You get the point. As you're watching, you just pick it and say, wow, I've gotten it. It will be that's your eureka moment. You get the point. So let's quickly look at what CUTIX did. Let's jump to the chart, but let's go to the daily chart so that we're able to see details of this stock. So let's click stock and we'll move to this part. We'll go for CUTIX. Let's look at CUTIX. Aside from CUTIX, try to load this. Okay, this is CUTIX. Remember I told you guys that you should place your buy order at 305. You understand? 305. Guess what? The price got to 301. It got to 301. And if some of you have placed your order in the morning, of course, by now your order will be filled up. And in case your order wasn't filled up, please don't forget to do that tomorrow. Don't forget to do that tomorrow, because when we'll be celebrating our wins, don't say, investor, I don't know when you recommend it to. You get the point. So you've seen it now. And in case you have, okay, I'll do another video concerning that maybe tomorrow morning, and we'll see how to go about it. So this one is still loading. So let's look at top gainers from the market. So if you notice, NCR has been shooting every day. That's how some of these stocks just do, guys. And if you are in NCR, I actually recommended it when it was ₦6 to my community. In fact, we did the fundamental together, we did the chart together, but the challenge about it is not liquid. That's just the challenge. So anytime you say a stock that is not liquid like this, what do you want to do? You want to put like ₦1 million, 500,000, 50,000 naira. As my friend we always say, at all, 9 bad pass. You get the point. So that you just have a skin in the game. You get the point. So that you have I wanted to switch to pigeon. So you just have a skin in the game. You get the point. So we also have the Ikeja Hotel. As you all know, this is a season that a lot of people will be lodging in hotel. And as you know, there are billions that is going to be spent in Lagos for the 30th December. And a lot of booking has started coming up. You understand? The season has started already. whether you like it or not. So that is what is going on there. And also for Prestige, Prestige actually gained 9.56% also. And Unicef is another one that has been shooting. And guys, this stock is going to hit 100 naira. And we have the Starling Financial Holdings, we have Darcom, we have Royal Exchange, we have NACO, we have UACN, we have Livestock, we have Deep Cap, we also have CWG, we have Conhor, we have Veritas and Benefit. Guys, these are the top gainers in the market. Let's still look at the top losers, because while we celebrate top gainers, we should also look for others that are also coming down. But anyway, let's. Okay, so you place your buy order around there for these, and we should be expecting some good return. So I'm trying to look at top losers, but don't know if it's not opening. So this is Jais Bank just released their earnings also, and I wanted to show you guys, but I don't know if we're able to look at it or any which way. So the top loser so far, one is Union Deacon, and we have Cavatin also is top loser. We have Sunu Insurance, we have Lasaco, we have Mazad, we have NF Tech, we also have UPDC, we have Guinea Insurance, we have Regalins, we have Wema Bank, we have Oando, we have NIM. So these are some of the stocks that actually came down during the market section. So this is actually loading. Don't know why it's poor like that. So guys, anyway, in case you're still watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified to my post and reaching videos like this. And don't forget, I show you this little green candle from the all share index to let you know that the market is recovery. And in case you don't know, the CBN just had their NPR meeting, and the sustained rate at 27% interest. That shows that we are still looking at how the market is going to unfold as we make progress. So I don't think we'll be able to look at these earnings, because I don't know why it's heavy like this. But so far we are making progress. So in case you have any stock that you want me to an analysis on, ensure you drop a comment, and I'm very, very sure I'm going to honor that comment. I'm going to do maybe 1 or 2 analysis on that video, and that will really help for those who are interested in the analysis. So trying to open Jais Bank reports, and I don't know why it's slowing down. Just want us to look at it together before we call it a day. But anyway, maybe subsequent video we'll be able to look at it, and we'll be able to do some brief analysis concerning the report. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified to my post and reaching videos like this. Until I come away again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands towards salute. See you in the next one.